Alright, this is 4150 St. Gregory Way in Avon. They are looking for a lawn install. Definitely need to come in 2 weeks prior and spray off all this vegetation, especially in the back. The house is about 45 by 122, just so I have that for measurements. And then the actual yard's about 178 by 55. We've got a lot of debris through here that we'll need to scrape off. We can get these cut and capped while we're here. Maybe, well, that's probably going to be built up. Definitely need some proper grading along the foundation of the house. She does not want any beds or anything put in yet. She really just wants grass. So all along here, this needs to be scraped up, partly raked, and then we'll correct any grading when we bring topsoil in. All this needs to be cleared. She is wanting to put a paver patio in, but we'll probably need to come in first and at least get this grade corrected. The tree is staying. She just asked if we can clean it up a little bit, and then we got to fill this area in. They were digging something out around it. Property goes up to the stake here. We've got drainage on both ends of the property, so we need to make sure that the lawn grades towards this drain. There is a swell through here. If we can kind of keep that, we can then grade the property back and drain it towards there. She did say, the builder said once the grade and lawn is put in, this can come out. So maybe if we can pop that out before we leave. She wants to do seed. I'm trying to think what else. All this debris needs to go. And then here, we've got a pretty severe grade over here. She also asked if we can bury this line while we're here, which in order to do that, we may need an extension. Again, this grading all needs to be corrected. This bad soil needs to be scraped up. And then they have a natural swell between the properties. We need to keep that. This house was built a lot higher than the neighboring property. We'll fill in along the driveway and the sidewalks, make sure everything's nice and smooth, and then grass seed everything. And then I'm also going to give them a quote for the temporary irrigation system, and that's it.